As one of the UK's market leaders and a trusted partner to local authorities, we provide design, asset and network management and maintenance solutions for local roads, street lighting and public realm. By prioritising our customers' needs, collaborating with our supply chain partners and with a focus on value for money, we shape places where local economies can thrive and grow. We're harnessing the latest innovations and technologies, using data-driven insights to improve efficiency, increase productivity, and ensure we deliver right first time. Driven by our commitment to zero harm, we put the health, safety, and well-being of our people first. By equipping them with the right skills and tools, and standing firm against road worker abuse. And by playing our part towards a greener, sustainable future, we are delivering real, positive change for the communities we serve and leaving a lasting legacy for years to come.